Hello, NetJets team. This is Matt Bergen. I just wanted to provide a quick video on job profiles and job descriptions and how we manage those in the application. So job descriptions, I'm logged into the system as Anya Singh, who's our administrator. Job descriptions and job content are all done under our job profiles, and there's really three main pieces to this. One is the job profile content. So this is, as we build a job profile, this is all the detail behind the content that we put into the file. So for example, things like your roles and families that jobs are assigned to, if there's certifications associated with jobs, if there's employment, degrees. So if I have degrees, for example, this is an education degree and I want to add one. Right now I've got high school diploma, MBA, associate's degree, bachelor's, and master's. I can add a degree, we'll call it NetJets. And I've added a new degree to the content of job profiles. Now this can actually be done through file uploads and downloads, so it's really easy to create content. If I have a item that I no longer need, I can either inactivate it if I'm not using it, or I can delete it completely, like I did here. Once we have the job profile content, the second step in the process is setting up the template. The job profile template is how the job description will look and what order that information is in. So we go to job profile templates. You'll notice we have the ability to do different types of templates for different organizations. So you may want one template for one part of your organization, a different job description template for another part, and we absolutely support that. Go into the standard template and we'll look at it. So here's how, when I build a job description, that's what it's going to look like. It's how everything is grouped together. So the job title will be first. You'll have a header, job description, job summary, competency, skills, education, and interview questions. If I want to add a section, all I need to do is add a section, select which section I want to add. Maybe I want certifications, and I now have certifications, and I can move that wherever I want to in the job profile template. I can either even rename this instead of certifications if I want to call them critical, certifications critical, whatever you want. You can add whatever content you want. And of course, I also have some additional options over here, like making it a required section and showing this information to this section in the job description. I can change things like font size, make it bold, underlined, italicized. Go ahead and be done with that. And then the very last step in the process, once we have the content and we have the template built, is to build the job descriptions themselves or edit the job descriptions. So we go to job profile. And this is managing the job profiles. When this first pulls up, it pulls up all of the job profiles we currently have. You'll notice there's also an in-workflow job profile. Once you create a job profile, you can send it through an approval process if we need somebody to review it before we make it an official job profile. Go into this operations manager role. You'll notice it gives me the family, what their role is. It also tells me all of the positions that currently have an operations role. So when we talk back to position management, that's where that all comes from. Click Next, and then here's my job profile for this operations position. Now from here, you can modify and edit any of this information. If I want to change the title, if I want to modify the header, I'm given just a text-rich editor that allows me to modify it. Of course, we have our standard tools like spell check and the legal scan embedded in the application. There's my job description, job summary. The competencies, we've talked a little bit about the delivered content, and of course, competencies are part of that delivered content. So competencies, I can just come into my competency library, select the ones that are applicable for this role, and add it. Same thing with skills. And then education, of course. This is going to be, the education will be all of these different education types that I've put in. And that's it. That's how we create a job description or job profile in the SuccessFactors application. When we're finished, we'll go, I'm done. And that's it. I hope that helped. If you have any questions, feel free to give me or Mark a call. We'd be happy to talk more about this. Thank you.